What are you girls doing? Oh my God, what? What happened? Uh-huh. Turn the light on, Salem. What happened?
I can tell that they ate it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I don't really eat all of it. That one was yours, I can tell, I think. Not mine.
What, they eat these? How much did you have here?
I had a whole celery and then we had like 10 of these.
Oh my goodness. And then the cookie? He ate it, huh? He came. Good for him. So who's...
I just really wanted to get that one. This is Olivia.
Who wanted what? Who got what?
I don't know. But we wanted these.
What are those?
This is a friend set. We already have one.
Friend set?
Yeah.
Well, is this? Who's this?
Trinity.
Okay, so that looks like yours, huh?
OMG, we already have them. We already read them.
What'd you just say?
I'm trying to get them.
Well, who you got in your arm?
I've never read these two. We should have read this one. That's what the order is.
Who you got, Ruffy, with you? Oh. Did Salem get one of those?
No, we have to share them. But
Well, I see one. I see another Skittles here.
yeah, I got all these and some good songs.
So it looks like, who gets this half? Oh, I'll guess I'll let Salem open them.
We're not allowed to open presents yet.
Well, you can play with this stuff because Santa left them out.
This is her pet.
What's in the bottom one?
Nothing. Why are these in your boxes?
What boxes?
Maybe Santa just had to use your boxes.
Those aren't my boxes.
That
No,
one is.
no.
And nothing's in here. Just.
Well, don't you supposed to put this stuff in there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I get my own.
What's that?
I get my own.
Oh my God, Penny, really? Taking the candy and hiding it already?
Well, I'm guessing these are for me.
It looks like it because it's older.
Oh, yeah.
What happened? What happened here? What's... What are you going in Mama's thing for? It's because we got him some decon.
There's nothing in Ruffy's either.
What's in mine?
You have a candy cane? And I think a Hershey's bar.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, well I'm gonna go into.
Santa Kit Kat.
I'm gonna go into yours.
Santa! Yeah, I have that too. It's a huge. Okay, I just have to take my fucking off because like those candy. Don't take them out.
Hey.
Like I'm gonna take it. They're huge. Look, I have 3 lip smackers. Do you? Yeah. It's in here. Sam, look it.
Okay, girls. Hey, look at me. Okay. Love you, girls. Merry Christmas.
Love you.
Christmas 2012. Love you, girls.
Love you.
Penny,
Love you.
what do you say to Santa?
Thank you for bringing off the presents to us. I hope you can bring us next Christmas.
Only if you're good, huh?
Well, we are!
Okay.